Earth restoration does not fail because of lack of effort. It fails because of incorrect placement. Planting the wrong species in the wrong climate wastes time, money, and trust. Nature already solved this problem. We simply stopped listening. Every climate zone supports a specific category of biomass. These systems evolved to maximize carbon absorption, water retention, and survival under local conditions. In tropical regions, fast-growing broadleaf species dominate. They absorb carbon rapidly, regenerate soil, and create dense canopy cover. In subtropical regions, mixed hardwood systems provide balance between growth speed and long-term storage. Temperate zones favor slower-growing but durable species that lock carbon into wood and soil for centuries. Arid and semi-arid regions require drought-resistant species. These plants absorb less carbon annually, but stabilize land, prevent desertification, and enable future biomass layering. Boreal regions rely on cold-adapted conifers and moss systems. Their carbon storage occurs primarily in soil and root structures, rather than canopy mass. There is no universal tree for Earth restoration. There is only correct matching. Species selection must consider temperature range, rainfall patterns, soil composition, fire resilience, root depth, local biodiversity compatibility. When these factors align, survival rates increase dramatically. High survival means carbon absorption compounds instead of resetting. This is why mass planting campaigns often fail. They optimize for speed, not for fit. Planetary cycle theory explains this clearly. Systems stabilize when energy flows align with structure. On Earth, climate is structure. Species are energy converters. When matched correctly, restoration becomes self-sustaining. The goal is not to force nature to comply. The goal is to let biology do what it already knows how to do, at scale. From this point forward, restoration planning must start with climate maps, not political borders. Carbon removal accelerates when species are placed where they belong. Earth does not need heroic intervention. It needs intelligent alignment.